Do you find it difficult to speak English? Don't worry! In this video, you will learn a simple conversation about travel, which will help you build confidence in speaking.
How to talk about tourism in a place you have visited.
Hi, Jack. Have you ever been to London?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Yes, I visited last summer. It's a beautiful city.
What places did you visit?
I visited the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, and Tower Bridge.
I've always wanted to see the British Museum. How was it?
It was fascinating. So much history.
Did you ride the London Tube?
Yes, efficient but crowded. And I loved the fish and chips.
Sounds great. I hope to visit someday.
Listen again.
Hi, Jack. Have you ever been to London?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Yes, I visited last summer. It's a beautiful city.
What places did you visit?
I visited the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, and Tower Bridge.
I've always wanted to see the British Museum. How was it?
It was fascinating. So much history.
Did you ride the London Tube?
Yes, efficient but crowded. And I loved the fish and chips.
Sounds great. I hope to visit someday.
How to talk about travel ticket prices.
Hey, have you checked the prices for our upcoming trip?
Not yet, but I heard they can be pretty expensive. When are we planning to fly?
We're looking at flying out on the 15th of next month.
Okay, I'll check it out. Do you have a budget in mind?
I was hoping to keep it under $500 round trip per person.
Let me search for some offers and see what I can find. I'll also try different airlines if we can get a better deal.
Good. Let's try to save as much as we can without compromising too much on comfort.
Agreed. I'll get started on it now and let you know what I find.
Listen again.
Hey, have you checked the prices for our upcoming trip?
Not yet, but I heard they can be pretty expensive. When are we planning to fly?
We're looking at flying out on the 15th of next month.
Okay, I'll check it out. Do you have a budget in mind?
I was hoping to keep it under $500 round trip per person.
Let me search for some offers and see what I can find. I'll also try different airlines if we can get a better deal.
Good. Let's try to save as much as we can without compromising too much on comfort.
Agreed. I'll get started on it now and let you know what I find.
How to book a hotel.
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. When will you be checking in and for how many nights?
I'll be arriving on the 20th of September and staying for 2 nights.
Great. And what type of room are you looking for?
A single room, please.
Perfect. We have single rooms available for those dates. Can I have your name, please?
Michael Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Michael. Your reservation for a single room for 2 nights starting on September 20th is confirmed. Is there anything else you'd like to add or inquire about?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Michael. We look forward to welcoming you on the 20th. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Listen again.
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. When will you be checking in and for how many nights?
I'll be arriving on the 20th of September and staying for 2 nights.
Great. And what type of room are you looking for?
A single room, please.
Perfect. We have single rooms available for those dates. can I have your name, please?
Michael Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Michael. Your reservation for a single room for 2 nights starting on September 23 is confirmed. Is there anything else you'd like to add or inquire about?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Michael. We look forward to welcoming you on the 23rd. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
How to speak English with a flight attendant.
Hello, Jack. Can I get you anything?
Yes. Could I have an extra pillow and blanket, please?
Of course. I'll bring you one right away. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. I'm having some trouble adjusting my seat. Could you assist?
Of course. Let me help you with that.
Thank you. Can I also request a glass of orange juice?
Certainly. I'll be back in a moment with your orange juice.
Thank you very much.
You most welcome, sir.
Listen again.
Hello, Jack. Can I get you anything?
Yes. Could I have an extra pillow and blanket, please?
Of course. I'll bring you one right away. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. I'm having some trouble adjusting my seat. Could you assist?
Of course. Let me help you with that.
Thank you. Can I also request a glass of orange juice?
Certainly. I'll be back in a moment with your orange juice.
Thank you very much.
You most welcome, sir.
How to book a tourist trip.
Good afternoon. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm planning a vacation and I need help booking a trip to Spain. I'd like to travel from August 1st to August 10th.
Great. Do you prefer direct flights or are layovers okay?
Direct flights would be best, and I'd like a morning flight if possible.
All right, I'll find the best options for you. What about accommodation?
I'd like a 4-star hotel close to the city center with a sea view.
Got it. Do you need any tours or activities included?
Yes, a guided city tour and a day trip to a nearby island.
No problem. May I have your full name to complete the booking?
My name is Michael Anderson.
Thank you, Michael. I'll arrange everything and send you the confirmation soon.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic trip.
Listen again.
Good afternoon. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm planning a vacation and I need help booking a trip to Spain. I'd like to travel from August 1st to August 10th.
Great. Do you prefer direct flights or are layovers okay?
Direct flights would be best, and I'd like a morning flight if possible.
All right, I'll find the best options for you. What about accommodation?
I'd like a 4-star hotel close to the city center with a sea view.
Got it. Do you need any tours or activities included?
Yes, a guided city tour and a day trip to a nearby island.
No problem. May I have your full name to complete the booking?
My name is Michael Anderson.
Thank you, Michael. I'll arrange everything and send you the confirmation soon.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic trip.
How to talk about flight delays or changes.
Hey, Emily. You won't believe this, our flight just got delayed.
Oh no. How long is the delay?
3 hours. We were supposed to leave at 2 p.m., but now it's 5 p.m.
That's really frustrating. Did they say why?
Yeah, it's due to bad weather at our destination.
Well, I guess there's nothing we can do. Should we grab something to eat while we wait?
That's a good idea. At least we can make the most of the time.
Agreed. Let's find a good caf.
Listen again.
Hey, Emily. You won't believe this, our flight just got delayed.
Oh no. How long is the delay?
3 hours. We were supposed to leave at 2 p.m., but now it's 5 p.m.
That's really frustrating. Did they say why?
Yeah, it's due to bad weather at our destination.
Well, I guess there's nothing we can do. Should we grab something to eat while we wait?
That's a good idea. At least we can make the most of the time.
Agreed. Let's find a good cafe.
How to deal with lost luggage at the airport.
Hey, Ava, my suitcase didn't show up.
Are you sure? Maybe it's still coming out.
I don't think so. I've been waiting for a while, and the belt stopped moving.
That's not good. Let's go to the lost baggage counter and ask.
Yeah, good idea. I really hope they find it.
Don't worry. They usually track it down quickly.
Listen again.
Hey, Ava, my suitcase didn't show up.
Are you sure? Maybe it's still coming out.
I don't think so. I've been waiting for a while, and the belt stopped moving.
That's not good. Let's go to the lost baggage counter and ask.
Yeah, good idea. I really hope they find it.
Don't worry. They usually track it down quickly.
How to ask about transportation in a new city.
Hey, Mia, do you know the best way to get around this city?
Not really, but I heard the metro is fast and easy to use.
Sounds good. Do we need to buy tickets in advance?
I think we can just get them at the station. Let's check.
All right. Also, do you know if taxis are expensive here?
I read that they are, so it's better to use ride-sharing apps.
Got it. Let's go find the metro station.
Listen again.
Hey, Mia, do you know the best way to get around this city?
Not really, but I heard the metro is fast and easy to use.
Sounds good. Do we need to buy tickets in advance?
I think we can just get them at the station. Let's check.
All right. Also, do you know if taxis are expensive here?
I read that they are, so it's better to use ride-sharing apps.
Got it. Let's go find the metro station.
How to order food in a restaurant while traveling.
Wow, this restaurant looks amazing. Let's check the menu.
Yeah, everything looks delicious. What are you getting?
I think I'll go for the grilled steak. What about you?
I'm in the mood for pasta. Maybe the Alfredo?
That sounds great. Should we order some appetizers too?
Good idea. How about a salad to share?
Perfect. Let's call the waiter.
Listen again.
Wow, this restaurant looks amazing. Let's check the menu.
Yeah, everything looks delicious. What are you getting?
I think I'll go for the grilled steak. What about you?
I'm in the mood for pasta. Maybe the Alfredo?
That sounds great. Should we order some appetizers too?
Good idea. How about a salad to share?
Perfect. Let's call the waiter.
How to talk about a tourist experience.
Hey, Sophia. How was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Tokyo was so lively and Kyoto was beautiful.
That sounds incredible. What was the best part?
Definitely visiting Mount Fuji. The view was breathtaking.
Wow. Did you try any Japanese food?
Of course. Sushi, ramen, and even matcha ice cream.
Now I really want to go there.
You should. It's an unforgettable experience.
Listen again.
Hey, Sophia. How was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Tokyo was so lively and Kyoto was beautiful.
That sounds incredible. What was the best part?
Definitely visiting Mount Fuji. The view was breathtaking.
Wow. Did you try any Japanese food?
Of course. Sushi, ramen, and even matcha ice cream.
Now I really want to go there.
You should. It's an unforgettable experience.
How to request a taxi or use a ride-sharing app.
Hey, Sarah, should we get a taxi or book a ride online?
Let's check the ride-sharing app first. It might be cheaper.
Good idea. It says the driver will arrive in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Where's the pickup point?
Right outside the hotel entrance. Let's head there now.
Great. This is so much easier than finding a taxi.
Listen again.
Hey, Sarah, should we get a taxi or book a ride online?
Let's check the ride-sharing app first. It might be cheaper.
Good idea. It says the driver will arrive in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Where's the pickup point?
Right outside the hotel entrance. Let's head there now.
Great. This is so much easier than finding a taxi.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.